If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Fine. I didn't know that SB19 did it live. I mean, obviously, it makes sense. All right, last one before we move on. Damn, that shit packed. That's in the Philippines, huh? Damn.
Ain't nobody better for your promise. This is
Wish 1075.
said it's more than a physical attraction, it's a passion, baby. How I could die for you. Don't you ever doubt it? How about it, baby, if you're gonna allow it?
Damn.
I need it anytime you come running.
Running.
See it in every question.
How want you? Oh, no. Imagine. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I wish.
I'm addicted to the way that you touch me.
I want you. Fuck. It makes me want to sing too, so that's a good thing. Also, this is green tea in a random big ass cup. Just letting y'all know. Ice green tea.
You got me open, I got it bad. I ain't gonna front, you can take what you want, baby. Y'all didn't have. Said if it's for you or you, I had you to bed. Said everything new for you.
Drain his light skin bag.
Fresh.
Talk to him, bro. Talk to him. Talk to him. Tell him, still. You tell his ass. Woo. Hey, hug yourself, Josh. That's right. Feel up on yourself. Whoa, pause. Man's like, get my merch, Peach, please. Hey. I want you. Shit go hard. I love this song. Baby, you are the one who wants you. Okay, Stone. Woo. Coming through. Get it. Woo. Falling. Oh, you better hit that. Is that really that dude? Woo. Damn! I'm glad I saw this. I didn't get to see. This is my first time seeing this. Hey, get it, get it, get it. Yeah. Hey. Ooh. Baby, I want you. I'm glad I got to see that. Ever since Mark My Bird says like, oh, other reactors are able to do the reactions that I want you, like that wish bus, like I was like, word? Because I'm telling y'all, bro, every time I do a reaction and it gets blocked, it hurts my soul. And I get it's copyright, obviously, but you could monetize my video. I don't care. I just want to put out my thoughts. But shout out to SB19 one time. Letter? Oh, letter. Oh, is this a slow paced one? I wonder. You feel the Filipino pride? All right, let's check this out, shall we? Oh.
1075.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Pablo.
Lahat ay ayos na naman. Nang bigla na lang ay dumating ang di hinantay. Nagbabalat kayong himala. Nagbabasan ay gumaan.
I don't think we're even ready for this one.
Tanging dahilan sa'yo lang na puno ng kasiguraduhan.
Ooh.
Narito ako, tapat lang at totoo. Pinapangako sa iyo. Ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hahayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Ikaw lang ang himpilan na
Hey, I just want to know his skincare, bro. What's your skincare, my boy? Hey, yo, you got the same eyebrow thickness as me, too. I'm just saying. I want to be... Hey, listen.
aking puso. Sa piling mo'y panatag ang buong pagkatao. Ligaya ng aking mundo. Okay, rami ng mga bagay na hindi natin maintindihan. Sa kabila ng lahat,
So this is in the U.S., I just realized, huh?
pilit nating binabalikan ang mga panaginip na inaasam. Ako'y binuo ng mabuti't masamang karanasan. Puno man ng mansya'y tinuring karangyaan. Nagkinangganan na lang.
Ooh.
Mamahal mo ay wala anumang pag-abang kiyaabang. Narito ako, magpapagal para sa'yo. Handang isuko ang buo. Ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hahayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Ikaw lang ang himpilan ng aking puso. Sa piling mo'y panatag ang buong pagkatao. Ligaya ng aking mundo.
Ooh. Damn, so many people out there, huh? Are those apartment buildings next door? Or they're like, what the hell is this? Aw, cute. That's dope. Ooh, it's the build up for me. This instrumental? This beat? Whoa.
Paano kaya kung hindi tayo nagkita?
Wish exclusive on Wish 107.5.
Ang buhay ko'y matatawag pang mapabuhay. Sa layo ng bituin, ang tingnan nito'y pagtingin sa nakaraan. Di ko nitang tunay. Oh,
Damn, when he's trying to sing, Josh, neck veins be popping.
alaala ko'y habang buhay kitang mamahalin. Inugo mo ng bituin, ikaw na siyang mamahalin. Ito ang aking paumanin, habang buhay ka pa. Ikinugo mo.
Wow. Let's go. Let's go, SB19. Wow, that's crazy stuff. Oh, they talented. They talented. And I think it hits different with me. Like I'm teary eyed because it's just because they're Filipino too, and obviously you know. I guess it hits more for me knowing that I'm based. You know, I grew up in the culture, at least through my mom. But it makes me proud. Nah?
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.